today I did a Valentine's Day look. Very pretty, very, I think, flirty, you know, girly type of semi-smoky Valentine's Day look, especially if you're going out with your boo on Valentine's Day. So I wanted to come on here and create a very cute, simple makeup look, especially if you want to do something a little bit smoky but not go too crazy. So yeah, and I used like one palette today. I used maybe two other colors that weren't in that palette, but one palette today, guys. Yes. So if you would like to see how I created this Valentine's Day look, just keep on watching. Okay, so first we're going to go into the Colourpop I Think I Love You palette, and we're going to use the color Fancy Face, and we're going to use this as the transition color. Next, we're going to go into the Perception palette, Shayla times Colourpop. And the color that I used is called, what is this called? It's called Culture. And I'm putting that right underneath the Fancy Face color. Then I'm going to go into the color called Screw It. And I'm going to use a tapered just set brush to apply this color. And this is just a clip showing you when I build up the color how it looks. Then I'm gonna go in with Played Out, but with in the Perception palette. And then for my lid color, I'm gonna use Better Bitter. I'm using a flat BH Cosmetics brush to apply this color all over the mobile lid. I'm just going back in and blending any harsh lines. And then for the outer corner, I didn't show the color, but I used the black shade in I Think I Love You palette called Rule Breaker. And then I'm going to take this shade by Colourpop called My Treat and use that as my brow bone highlight. I'm just going in and doing some more blending. Next, I am going to take, this is called, so the other color I used on my brow bone was Rowdy, and then My Treat is the next shade. I'm going to go in with the MAC eyeliner. And this is called Brushblack. I'm doing a little wing. Then I'm just going in with some Maybelline Mascara to prep my lashes for my false lashes that I'm about to put on. So for my false lashes, I'm using the Kiss lashes, and they're called Flirty. I put them on off camera, and y'all know this part. I'm not going to run my mouth. I'm going to just let y'all enjoy the video. I'm just doing my face routine. to the eyes, I'm going to take MAC Definitely Black and line my waterline. I'm also going to smudge it a little bit underneath my lash line as well. And that's me here smudging it. I took the brown from the Colourpop palette, and then I went in with the black color just to smudge it out some more to make it a little smoky. Just taking a mascara, blending my real lashes with the false lashes, and then adding some mascara to my bottom lashes. And then setting the face with Fix Plus. And then I went in with the Colourpop highlighter in Poise. This is the Shayla collaboration. And I'm just pouring some in the cap like that, and then I'm using a Morphe brush to set this powder all over the skin. And what I love about this highlighter, it looks so natural. It's not too bright, but it just gives you a nice glow without being too extra. Even though I am extra, but you know. Alright, and for lips today, I'm going in with Nightmoth lip liner by MAC. Now, I'm not going to fill my lips in all the way. I'm just going to line my lips, and then I'm going to press my lips together, which you will see me do in just 1 second. I'm just pushing it together, and you see the lip liner is moving towards my lips in the center. And then I'm going to go in with Ruby Woo lipstick by MAC and place this right in the center and over the liner to give it more of like an ombre look. Alright, and that is the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be on the lookout for more Valentine's Day look. This is just look number 1. And until next time, I will catch you guys later. Bye.